Today I'm making cake batter mousse cups. First in a bowl I'm going to add 1 box of French vanilla instant pudding mix. Next add 1 cup of milk. Then add 1 tablespoon of cake batter extract. Mix this up until everything combines and the pudding thickens. Next add a half a cup of heavy cream and mix this up until it's light and fluffy. Now I'm going to build the mousse cup, so first I have 4 cups. Next I chopped up some circus animal cookies. I'm going to add a layer of the circus animal cookies into each cup. Then I'm going to fill each cup with the cake batter mousse. Lastly, I sprinkled some more chopped up circus animal cookies on top, and I put a whole circus animal cookie on top of each cup. Here's an up close look at the cake batter mousse cups.